Hi, and welcome to masking tutorial in Adobe Animate. I'm going to start by clicking on this create button there, and here, that is the same. Just going to reduce the size of this screen so that you guys can see it. Let's make it about maybe 80%. Just type in 80 there, press enter. And if that seems to be too wide, you can also reduce it, maybe about 70. The choice is yours. Okay, now the first thing I'd like you guys to do is go straight to the library here, okay, and grab hold of the image you intend to use. So the image I intend to use is right there. This time around, I'm going to be using these three. So grab a hold of them and just dump it right there. There we go. Now I'm going to drag this very one here, drop it right there. And maybe at the same time, let's just increase the size of this. Something like that. Okay, so I think that will do. Maybe grab hold of the next one and the large one as well. Grab hold of that. Grab hold of the middle one. But they don't look, it seems not to look well coordinated together. So I'm just going to, yeah, I'm going to kind of like edit it a little bit to make it look a little bit more pronounced. Yeah, there we go. That'll do. Something like that. Okay. So the four images that I have in here now, what I am going to do next is I'm going to combine them, just group them all together. You can select the selection tools, select it all, and you press Control G to group them all together. Okay, Control G will group them all together for you. Now that that is done using Control and G, I think it's right here as well how to get it grouped. But in any case, just use Control and a G. Okay. So now the next thing I want to do is the four images that you're looking at, which is now one image. I'm going to right click on it and let's convert it to a symbol. And the symbol you have to convert it to, it must be a graphic. Okay, make sure you select graphic. Give the name, I'm just going to call it trees. There we go. And registration is center. Okay, that's fine. Click on OK. There we go. So now that that is done, let's come straight to our layer here. So we can give that a name. We can just call that trees. And on the timeline, I'm going to go to frame, let's say frame 200 or yeah, 300. Make it 300. Now press F5 or right click on it and select insert frame. Let's copy it across. Okay, now that that is done, I'm going to come in here and add a new layer, lock this up. The new layer that I'm going to add, the new layer that I intend to add, I'm going to click on this rectangle tool. But first of all, let's change the color. I'm going to change the color to something you guys will be able to see. Something grayish black. So now select this and let's select the oval tool. And that's the oval tool. Hold on the shift key and just draw the oval tool. I actually want that to be on top, so I'm going to undo that. The reason being why it's underneath here is because I did not lock this up. So I'm going to lock up this. This is where I want my circle. So I might as well do that again. So my circle should be right here. So select frame 1. Let's do that again. Hold on to the shift key and just drop. Okay, that is fine. Let's get it center kind of. Maybe here. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, now this circle, right click on it and let's convert it to a symbol of its own as well. So I'm just going to follow our circle. Make sure it's graphic, click on OK. Once that is done, the next thing you want to do now is let's get this animated. It's way over here. So undo that. I'm going to allow this so that I don't make any mistake. So scroll right down. We want to get the trees animated. So let's go to frame 300. Right click on it and select convert to keyframe. Okay, you'll get a small dot in there. Now just drag this across to get it animated. There. Once that is done, let's go back to frame. Select anywhere on the tree frame, right click on it and select create classic twin. There. Now, see the circle layer, right click on that and then select max. That is it, done. So if I run it now, this is what you guys will see. Look at that. See that, guys? And that's how you create masking in Adobe Animate. Okay. So if you want to see it quite clear, you can also change the color of the background. Just right click on it, document, and maybe change it to something a little bit darker. Now, run one more time. There we go. Look at that, guys. So with that, I'm going to call it the end of this brief tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed. Bye for now.